Hello students. Today we will see chapter 3 Gopal and the Hilsa Fish from Honeycomb book of class 7th. This is a funny and witty story. So let's enjoy the story. Once upon a time, it was the season for Hilsa fish. Fisherman could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. Fishmongers sold nothing but Hilsa fish. And all the time the fishermen shouted,
Come, buy. The price of Hilsa is very low today.
Even householders could talk of nothing. At home also, everyone used to talk about Hilsa fish. Hey, how much did you pay for that Hilsa?
You would not believe if I told you.
Actually, Hilsa fish was loved by everyone and it was quite expensive fish. But during these days, the price was so low. So everyone was having Hilsa fish. Everyone was purchasing Hilsa fish. So that's why it was a surprise for them. So they were always asking to others about the price of Hilsa. Even in the palace also, the courtiers could discuss only about Hilsa fish. They are supposed to discuss about the matters related to their kingdom. But these days, they were only discussing about Hilsa fish.
Your Majesty, you should have the huge Hilsa I caught. It was...
Stop it! Are you a courtier or a fisherman? The king became very angry on the courtier because the courtiers are supposed to discuss about the problems, about the matters related to state. But here, all the people, even in the kingdom or in the court, were talking only about Hilsa fish. This made the king very angry. When the courtiers saw the king, they all became silent and their eyes were downcast. They were looking down. When all these things happened, the king felt guilty. He thought that he became very much angry. He should not behave like that. And after that, the king said sorry to everyone. And he apologized to all the courtiers. But he was very much tensed that all the people were discussing about only Hilsa fish. And he thought that there was no one who could stop the people talking about Hilsa fish. He was having Gopal as one of the gems in his court. You know very well, like Akbar was having Birbal in his court, who was very intelligent. Likewise, the king was having Gopal, who was very intelligent. He thought that Gopal can also not stop people talking about Hilsa fish. But when Gopal heard this, he told king,
Oh, I think I can stop people talking about Hilsa fish, Your Majesty.
When king saw the confidence of Gopal, he just challenged him to bring and buy a huge Hilsa fish from the marketplace to the palace, and no one should talk about it. Gopal also accepted the challenge. Now, after some days, Gopal was shaving and she was surprised to see. And she said, "Oh my God, why is your face half shaven?" And then Gopal replied,
I'm getting ready to buy a fish.
When Gopal said that he was getting ready for buying a fish, he started doing one more strange thing. And his wife asked him surprisingly, "Oh, what's the matter with you? Why are you applying ash on your face? Have you gone mad?"
I told you, no, that I am getting ready to buy a Hilsa fish.
And after doing half shaving and applying ash on his face, he started going out to the market. His wife was so amazed. She was surprised why her husband is behaving like a madman. And she started shouting, "Listen to me, please. You can't possibly go out in this way. Please, you're looking so awkward. Oh God, you're having very good dresses. And why are you wearing these rags? All the clothes are torn. And why are you going to market wearing these? Oh God, please stop him." And then Gopal replied angrily,
Oh, how many times I should tell you, women, that I am going to buy a Hilsa fish?
And saying this, he went to the market, and his wife was shocked, looking him from the door. She thought, "Oh, he has gone mad." Now, Gopal went into the market, and there he became the center of attraction. Why? Because he was looking so awkward. Everyone was looking at him and all were laughing at him. There was one small boy also standing with his mother, who was looking at Gopal, and he told his mother,
Mother, look at that man. He is looking so funny.
Wherever he was going, everywhere people stood in the groups and they were only discussing about Gopal. All were looking at him only. It seemed like on that day they were having only one topic, and that was Gopal. By the side of the road, two men were also standing, and they thought that Gopal was a madman. Now, after purchasing Hilsa fish, Gopal started moving towards palace. And when he reached palace, he was stopped by the guards, who were also surprised to see such a madman. They did not notice that it was Gopal only, the intelligent one from their court. And when they looked him, they asked him angrily, "What do you want? Why have you come here?" And then Gopal replied,
I want to see the king. Let me go in.
He requested them to go inside the palace. But the guards were thinking that he was a madman, so they were not allowing him to go inside, and they told him that he could not go inside. After that, Gopal started dancing and singing loudly so that the noise should reach the ear of king. And in this way, the king would call him. So he started singing loudly.
La 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 la. Ah, la 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 la.
"Oh ho, who is outside?" the king said irritatingly. He was sitting inside the palace and he was hearing too much of noise that somebody was fighting outside.
I want to meet the king.
No, you cannot go inside, you crazy man.
I want to meet the king.
Hey, throw him out at once. Listening all these things, the king gave order to the courtier to go and call that man inside. When that man came inside, every of the courtiers were looking at him shockingly. And just then, one of the courtiers understood that it was Gopal, and he shouted, "Hey, it's Gopal!" And another courtier said, "The man has lost his mind." The courtiers thought that Gopal has got mad. That's why he was dressing like that. One more courtier said, "I think it's one of his crazy jokes." He understood that Gopal was very intelligent. If he was doing such strange behavior, there would definitely be some reason behind it. Then the king asked him, "All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion?" King was surprised to see him. Why he was wearing torn clothes, why he was half shaven, and why had he applied ash on his face? So he asked him a question. And then Gopal replied,
Your Majesty, I think you forgot something.
The king was surprised when he listened to Gopal, and he started thinking, what did he forget? And then Gopal replied,
Very strange. No one is interested in talking about Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace, and even in the court, not a single person spoke about Hilsa fish.
And Gopal said this. Then the king understood that he had given a challenge to Gopal, that he should stop people talking about Hilsa fish. And then he laughed so much. Ha ha ha! Well done, Gopal. Congratulations. Again you have done something different and something impossible. In this way, Gopal stopped people talking about Hilsa fish. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you very much for watching the story.